Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. You guys, we just got ready. We're on the way to the Dollar Tree. I gotta run some errands, pick up some stuff. Let's show your outfit. Come here. Let's go over here. Come over here, show your outfit. So I'm gonna be posting some pictures at the end. So you guys, this is the outfit that we got from Kohl's. Neve want to wear both the pants and the shirt with each other. These are shoes that we got in February. Goodbye. From Vegas. It's from Circus. And then she has her bow from DD's discount, and your Elsa. Who else you bringing? And a Princess Barbie. So see you guys in the car.
I busy for the door. I busy for clothes. I bought it for
Walmart. Say see you later.
I bought it to wear it too.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
You guys, I'm in the car. I'm at a red light. Don't worry. I do not want to be vlogging while I'm driving. Neve's in the back. Say hi, baby. And yeah, we're about to run errands. We're almost there. About to go pick up some stuff. And yeah, you guys, it's such a nice day. Like, the weather's so bipolar in LA, but I mean, okay, now I'm driving. But yeah, not LA, but like LA County, the weather's so bipolar. California in general, you guys. So yeah, so I'll see you guys when you get there. Yo, look what they have at the Dollar Tree. Dean Ambrose. Who's over here? Sami Zayn. Triple H. Holy crap. Triple H. They got Roman. Oh, and Steen. When did they start selling WWE dolls here? That was crazy. Okay, now for Nevaeh to find something that she wants. She dang near has every toy in here. I don't know. Let's see what she wants. Oh wow, she sees this. She's definitely gonna want. I bought her this one already. Let's see what she wants. You can pick anything you want, okay? So she picked clothes for her Barbies. What'd you get?
This one.
Wait, who are they for? You were telling me. Who are they for? You said which one was for Pocahontas. Neve, who's gonna wear these?
Pocahontas don't wear that.
Yeah, what else? You said Elsa.
And who go with this one?
And I got her Barbie hairspray. This hairspray works like really good on her hair. I was gonna go to Walmart, but you know the Dollar Tree's cheaper, so got her hairspray. So we're home and we're going to do a Dollar Tree haul. So let's show what we got.
Oh, yeah,
Okay, so this one. Wait.
Open this one.
So this one's the pink dress. Go ahead, you go. Wait, let's take them out first before you open it. So what else did you get?
I got this one, but I will
with
open
shorts
this
and
one.
this. Okay, one more. Look at. Then there's this one, the dress. So she got outfits for her Barbies. And then I got her a Vampirina brush so she could brush her Barbies. And that's it for, oh no. I also got her, what you guys saw in Dollar Tree, I got her this detangling spray, cotton candy scented, and it's the Barbie Smooth and Untangles hair. You guys, this works perfect on a curly hair, mixed kids hair. Perfect. So I got her the brush. So this is pretty much, I went shopping for her, got all this stuff. And then, oh, another thing for her. M&M's, her favorite candy. So if anybody wants to get my baby anything that has to do with candy, her favorite's M&M's. So got her. So pretty much.
Open this one.
Yeah,
now.
you can open it. All the stuff's for Nevaeh. And then for me, I got some makeup wipes. This is the facial wipes, coconut oil and sea salt, you guys, and it comes with 30. This sounds amazing. If any of you guys know me, you guys know I love coconut. So I was super excited when I saw that. And I needed makeup wipes. And then I got food stuff. So I got this for my babe. He loves the chow mein, teriyaki beef. We love like Chinese food and Japanese food, any type of that food. So teriyaki beef. For me, I got this. I love the chicken salad with crackers. These are super good. So I got this for like a snack for myself. And then I got also my favorite, which is the Healthy Choice chicken and rice. So you guys, I love this. This and Progresso are my favorite soups. So just wanted to pick up a few things, mostly for Nevaeh. She's the reason why I went today. I did want to get her some things. My husband gave her money. I call him babe. And my dad gave her money. So we went and took her to get like some toys and stuff like that. So Yeah, that's it for our Dollar Tree haul. Check out Dollar Tree, guys. It's lit. Check out Kohl's. Links will be below. And thanks for watching. You guys, here's the fashion right here. First outfit, what came with the purse. Second outfit, dress, also came with the purse and the shoes. Third outfit came with the top, bottom, shoes, and purse. And then this one, it came with the shoes. Now look at these. Like, shoes on point. Look at this fashion. Yeah, babe, you dressed them good. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, let me see the brush. Turn it. Vampirina brush. Let's see. Whose hair are you gonna brush? Look like she need her hair brushed.
She got freaky hair.
She got crazy hair. Oh, it got stuck. Just got home and look what was in front of my door. Let me see the other side of the box. Let's see what it is. Influencer Discover Review Share, you guys. So I haven't got an influencer box in such a long time, but they just emailed me and told me that I got one, which so I was super excited. And I do know what's in it, but I don't know what it looks like in person. So let's open it. Okay, so I opened it, and first has this. It says, oh, they sent me the Amazing Grace Magnolia Philosophy. Grace will always guide your journey. And it says, congratulations, you have been selected to try a brand new fragrance from Philosophy. Ooh, thank y'all for choosing me. Amazing Grace Magnolia Philosophy. Ooh, I'm super excited, you guys, because I got fragrance from Simply event, and it was super expensive, and I broke it, so God is good. So here it is right here. Wait, it says Amazing Grace Magnolia fragrance, and they sent me the little sample. Philosophy. Grace will always guide your journey. Ooh, I'm excited to see how it smells. There's a little card, and yeah, that's it, you guys. So the little sample, I'm excited to see how it smells. Thank you, influencer. And you guys, I have to say, this smells amazing. Literally, I tried it, Nevaeh's tried it. It smells super, super good. So I definitely recommend it. If you want to go ahead, check it out. Go to Philosophy's Instagram page or website and go check it out at Influencer's Instagram or website. And I got my package. I'm super excited. So let's go and open it. So you guys, I got some makeup. This is the eyeliner Ruby, or it says Arcade by Kiss. And it's Ruby liquid eyeliner and jet black. You guys know I love my eyeliner. Sorry for my nails. I'm going to paint them soon. And I got this eyeshadow palette. It's called the Perfect Colors 12 Blushing Blossoms. And it's by Nick New York. And I really, really loved the colors on this palette, so I had to get it. Look at how pretty. Look at how pretty these colors are. Shiny. I just really, really loved it. So you guys, I got this from my, what's it called? It's called My Beauty Mart. So I'm super, super excited. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the link below. Love it. You guys, this is so funny. Look what Temptation Island sent me, you guys. This is so funny. So if you guys aren't familiar, USA has this show called Temptation Island that I'm obsessed about, and I always tweet about them and do like Instagram stories and stuff like that. And they DM'd me and they're like, can we send you something? I'm like, sure. So I give them my address, and this is what they sent me. These are like super cool little Temptation Island paddle boards. Same thing on this one. And then a Temptation Island bag, super cute, and a little ball. So shout out to Temptation Island. Shout out to USA. Thank you for this. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. And the front of the bag is Temptation Island. And then the back says USA because it's on the USA Network. Shout out to Temptation Island. Shout out to USA. Thank you. Guys, I got another package. You guys, this is the second package I got this week. And I still have one more package. And my babe has another package coming. So y'all. And like half this stuff is free. The first package you guys saw from Temptation Island was free, and this one is free as well. So let's open it. Oh, you guys, I love doing unboxings. So here's, ooh, I got my ring stickers. So I got 4 for free. It says protected by Ring, audio, video, surveillance. So if anybody try to play at my apartment, they know that we got surveillance in this place. So don't be trying nothing slick, because you gonna be on surveillance. So I got my stickers, And then I also got a extra face plate for ring. Yeah, this is just the extra face plate to change it. I don't know if I'm gonna really use this because I kind of like how the ring face plate comes already. But yeah, so you guys, I got this for free and my ring for free, as you guys already saw in one of my other vlogs. But yeah, so you guys, shout out to Ring. Thank you guys so much. Their customer service literally is amazing. Their shipping is super quick. You get text updates that let you know when everything's there. And I literally got all this for free. I did a separate vlog already for the Ring that I got for free through their referral program, and I had extra money left over from my referrals, and I was able to get, you know, the Ring stickers and then this Ring faceplate. So you guys, literally, Ring's awesome. This is like $120 worth of Ring merchandise, and I'm just super happy. So yeah, I'll leave the link below just in case if you guys want to purchase anything off the website, your own stuff. The referral program has ended February 28th, so I mean, you guys missed out. I've posted a whole vlog on the link to get your own free ring. Nobody really did it, so you know, what can you do? But if you want to purchase on your own, leave the link below. And thank you guys. You guys, this is the Equal Double Luxury Integration Weave with the invisible parts. It is the 16, 18, 20, and 22. It's 16. I'm so excited. We're going to make a quick weave right here. Has a little thing, and I love how like this color is not just black, it's like brown in it. So yeah, we're gonna get started. You guys, we just got our packages, and my babe got this one. This is different, babe. I don't think I've ever seen you with a hat like this. This is like interesting. 20 bucks. And then here's your other one. Let me see that one. Ooh, that one's nice. So it's literally just like that one. What's the difference? Oh, the M is different. This is really nice. I know, I see, baby. Nice. Very nice.
How are you guys doing? This is my Dallas Mavericks hat. I just got regular price is 35 bucks. I got it for $15.
Wow.
It was on clearance.
And then
This one,
I thought it was
price,
20, but
35 bucks, but I actually got this one, and it was less than 20. It was like 15 something as well. Wow. So I paid $37 for 2 hats.
Oh yeah, cause plus shipping as well. But that was a great
regular
deal.
price would have been 70 bucks, but I got a good deal.
High five, babe. Guys, I'm doing a little haul. I'm back here at my parents' house, and look what my mom gave me. It's 20 bucks value, and she literally is giving it to me. Pink flat iron, a black flat iron, 1.5 inch and 1 inch. This is a combo value pack. It literally goes up to 430 degrees, so y'all know this will get my hair straight. And this is so cute. Let me know if any of you guys have tried this. It's from Hot Beauty Professional, and I'm literally in love. This is my babe's. My parents got him a little shirt. Every time we come here, they always have stuff for us. A heating pad for you guys know that time of the month. And then she got me these pants. I'm trying to get into color, y'all. I always wear black like 24/7. But these are like jeggings. So I love it. But yeah. Yay! You guys, I'm so excited to share the Postmates featured me on their blog. Postmates and Medium are like joined together, and they did a blog post for International Women's Day, and you guys, I was featured on it. They contacted me and asked me if I would want to be a part of the blog, and I said yes, of course. And then it says celebrate International Women's Day with the women of our fleet and the heroes who inspire them, you guys. And here's mine right here. And I said I was inspired by Michelle Obama And then right here so you can see what I said. That's not all I said. I have a longer post, but they just picked a little bit of what I said. But yeah, it's on the blog and I'm super excited. So if you guys want to check it out, their blog is blog.postmates.com. I will leave the link below so you guys could give it a read and let me know what you guys think. I'm super excited. So shout out to Postmates and Medium for sharing this blog with me here, letting me be featured on the blog. First time being featured in anybody's blog, so I'm really excited. So yeah, thank you guys. Visiting my grandma's.